up fam, how are you doing? Welcome to my Fitness Friday. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for coming, and please remember to subscribe before you leave. If it's your second time or third time, kisses to you. First of all, I think you need to have your water close, because I have mine very close, and it's right here. Yes, I have my water very close, so you need to do that. On today's video, I'm going to share with you my warm-up. Yes, my warm-up routine, and these are different things that I usually do before I start my main workout. It's very important for us to warm our bodies before we get into, let me just say, tough workout, or those main workouts. And the reason why we need to do that is to avoid having injuries during the workouts, because when you just jump into lifting weights and all that without warming your body, you're bringing problems to yourself, and maybe your muscles are not even prepared. So you need to wake up those muscles before you get into any workout. So that's what we're going to do today, and they're going to be maybe around 10 minutes, I don't know. But guys, let's just get into it and see for ourselves. Cool. Put that one there. Let me start.
Over, you just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Does the ground
That's it for today's warm-up, good people. I think I am ready to work out. Yes, and if you're at home, please remember to always do some warm-up before you start any workout, because it's advisable just to avoid injuries and all that, good people. So that's it for today. If you've watched up to here, or maybe you've been working out with me, thank you so much. And until next Friday, good people. This is you.